Hello, my name is Madison Firstman, and I am making this video for Management 110, Lab Section number 21. In 6 years, I hope to become a corporate lawyer. To be successful in my career choice, I'm looking to improve my ability to communicate. It is an absolutely essential skill in the field of law. Unfortunately, according to my Iliad Assessment Center results, there is a gap of negative 49 points between my perception and my ability to communicate and my actual skill levels. As such, I have developed a plan of action in order to close this gap. First, I identified 2 communication-related behaviors that negatively impacted my score. And these behaviors apply always when communicated, not only for the Iliad assessment. These behaviors include, number 1, failing to speak confidently, and number 2, failing to make sufficient eye contact. Personally, this is caused by communication apprehension, which is the anxiety and fear that I sometimes feel when communicating. It is recommended in the textbook that to overcome this condition, one engage in pressure practice, which I intend to do. This means that from now on, every time I practice for a presentation, I ask someone to observe me and provide me with feedback. Also, while practicing, I intend to implement some of the ideas relating to the 5 S's of effective presentations. I'm going to focus specifically on the S relating to style, because both of my problem behaviors fall under this category. In order to speak confidently, according to this S, I need to make sufficient eye contact, use appropriate gestures, and speak clearly. By having somebody observe me while I practice, he or she will be able to tell me whether or not I'm successful in doing all of these things. And if not, I can then change my presentation style accordingly. I'm confident that my plan of action will be successful in helping me improve my ability to communicate for 3 reasons. Number 1, having somebody observe me while I practice is going to make me more nervous. This is going to give me the opportunity to develop strategies to overcome my anxiety, which I can then apply when I present in a real-life situation. Number 2, simulating low-level stress environments is going to help prevent me from choking, as opposed to practicing in a more casual environment, which admittedly is what I tend to do. Third, my observer will be able to provide me with invaluable feedback, and this relates back to an important idea in the textbook, which is practice with feedback makes perfect. The final part of my plan of action consists in a time frame. I'm going to have regularly scheduled pressure practice sessions, at least once a month, until October. I chose this month specifically because I'm going to be having my first mock trial tournament of the season, and I hope to be a more effective communicator by that time. By developing a plan of action that is specific, involves research-based concepts and theories, and is feasible, I'm confident that I will be able to improve my ability to communicate and close the gap that I talked about earlier.